Good afternoon to everyone present out here. I, Sherap Bhutia of Class 8C, representing Torquoise House, stand here to recite the poem. The title of my poem is Don't Give Up by Lamia Hanchawi. So here I begin. Don't give up, don't give in. There's always an answer to everything. This, my friend, is for you. The trials that you face and the dreams that you chase, you're behind in your race and you're straying from your pace. Your mind is scattered all over the place and you're desperate for space. Little did you know that this is your time to embrace. Don't give up, don't give in. There's always an answer to everything. You know we tend to hide what's inside and waste time, what could it be? It isn't the key to believe in our own identity. Your past brought you here. This is where it all begins. Don't give up. Don't give in. There's always an answer to everything. And I found myself running from calamity, insanity to sanity. This is our reality that we forget. Who created us and molded us and made us human beings with the details and fashions of DNA and genes, who give us a mind to judge our own actions and routines by all means. Don't give up, don't give in. There's always an answer to everything. So repel negativity with positivity and watch life brings with every single possibility and have an attitude for gratitude. And if you want to be happy, that's exactly what we're meant to do. Don't give up, don't give in. There's always an answer to everything. And yes, life can be quite a mystery and the key to success doesn't come free. And if you believe that this is all agreed, then what will be, will be. But I guess not everything's wished for is always guaranteed. But your efforts won't be fruitless. Don't ever think you are useless. We all serve a purpose. So please, don't feel hopeless. Don't give up. Don't give in. There's always an answer to everything. And no, you're not just another number to be disposed of after. You're a mother, father, sister, brother, friend, and a lover. To be true to yourself is worth of struggle. Thank you.